friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make a beginner's loom bracelet. It's going to look like this. So here's the things you will need. A loom, rubber bands, I'm using red and orange, a hook for clipping your rubber band at the end, a hook for your rubber bands, and yeah, let's get started. So I'm just going to scooch this stuff to the side and bring the rubber bands in. And so the first step is to make sure this arrow here, you'll see, is pointing away from you, that way, not pointing to you, away from you. So now you're going to take a rubber band and place it from peg number 1 to peg number 2, like that. Then you're going to take your next color, mine's going to be orange, and place it from peg number 2 to peg number 3. I'm going to take my red rubber band and place it from peg number 3 to peg number 4. And then my orange one to peg number 4 to peg number 5. Like that. And then we're just going to keep on putting the rubber bands on till you reach the end or you want to stop. And make sure you're pushing the rubber bands down. So yeah, you're just going to keep doing that till you want to stop. And I picked to stop here, right here. I'm going to show you how it looks close up. So as you can see, I still have one rubber band left. You're not going to put the last rubber band on. I mean, like you are, but not diagonal. You're just going to stretch it, twist it, and put it over like that. You're going to now take it and place it here. Let me just show you close up. So you see where you stopped? That's where you're going to place the orange rubber band that I have. You could use a different one if you want. Like that. And now you're going to take your hook. But before you start doing the rubber band stuff, you're going to turn your loom around and make sure that this arrow here, you can see, is facing you, not over there, toward you. So for this first step you're going to do, I'm going to show you close up. You can see you're going to just put your hook in, take the very bottom one, which is red for me, and make sure I'm not taking any other rubber bands. Take it off that, like that. Then I'm just going to take the rubber band like this, place it on the other one. Then I'm going to take my next one on the next peg, which is the orange one. It's the bottom one. Take it, place it on the very next peg. I'm going to push the other two down like that. Now my next one, I'm going to take the very bottom one again, which is the red, place it on the next, like that. Show you a close up. So you can see there's like big, tiny raindrops. I have to call them raindrops. But the raindrops are only here because I still have to do the others. Then I'm going to take the next rubber band, which is the orange one for me, which is the bottom. Then I'm going to take it, place it on the next peg. I'm going to keep on doing that. And keep pushing them down so it's going to be easier to, place your rubber bands and stuff. And I'm going to keep doing that till I reach the very end. And remember to push your rubber bands down. And now you see I'm finished. I've reached the very end. I'll show you how it looks, but first I'm gonna push them down, even though we are gonna take them off. Here's a close-up look. You can see I've finished the whole thing. And now I'm gonna take my S hook. You can use an S or a C hook. Whoa. And you're gonna take this here, from here, pick it up, stretch it with one hand or a few fingers, place it on like that. It sticks. Then you're gonna just slowly pluck them off. Just gonna do it this way, and make sure you're not pulling them too hard, because maybe the rubber bands might break. And now you see I'm near the end of it. I'm gonna just take that one off, this one right here, but I'm not gonna let go of it. Just gonna stretch it and then take the hook, clip it like that. And now you see you have your beginner's bracelet. Ta-da! Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe down below. And bye. See you in the next video.